Riu Njeri wa Muigai niarikitie gutangatha ndeto cia magegania ira ciatiga arumiriri ake ona nginya fellow Kikuyu celebrities matongoretio ni Nderitu makiyumiria na njira nene muno gukungũira Njeri wa Muigai na ukorwo makimũcongratulate na njira nene muno. Njeri wa Muigai couldn't hide her joy as she took to her own social media pages where she shared the wonderful news. Onake aihũirwo ni gikeno kinene muno akiuga na kumbura ni atigitwo ahotetwo na ukorwo anyihite muno ni kwamukira ndeto ici na Ûhotani uyu uria arikitie kwîgwatira. Na Njeri wa Muigai auburite ati she is officially a brand ambassador. Njeri wa Muigai niarikitie kwîgwatira giturwa kinene muno na kia mwanya muno eta brand ambassador wa kambuni ngumo muno guku bururi-ini, one of the leading real estate companies we have in the country, ira niyo Comfort Homes. Na Njeri wa Muigai humbly arakorwo agitikira na ukorwo akiyukia this new role eta the new brand ambassador wa Comfort Homes. Na njira ya kurekereria this warm appreciation post aikiuga ni Ngai mwega, ready to work with Comfort Homes, I'm humbled to be your brand ambassador. Na ucoka ukorwo akirekereria ndumiriri ira nayo Comfort Homes marakorirwo makirekereria welcome Njeri wa Muigai on board at Comfort Homes, magikiuga blissful to receive Njeri wa Muigai kigutha at Comfort Homes headquarters Nairobi this morning. Njeri is a talented gospel artist and a content creator. She will take ambassadorial role, and with her Saka, we will continue giving our customers the best services and value for their money. At Comfort, we promise we deliver. #Shamba for all. Asanteni sana. Ariyo post Comfort Homes manakoriro makirekereria maki-announce ati their new face, their new ambassador ni Njeri wa Muigai uria onake acokete gukorwo akiingira nenda-ini ciake na kuiyukia Ûhotani uyu aikiuga ni ngatho cia mwanya muno taking up the new role as the new brand ambassador wa Comfort Homes. Na thutha ucio Kikuyu celebrities ni marakorirwo makiyumiria na njira nene muno congratulating one of their own, magikenanira na ukungũira Njeri wa Muigai, othe makiyumiria na njira nene muno, so many of them sending out their congratulatory messages kuri Njeri wa Muigai. Na ona ithwe a big congratulations to Njeri wa Muigai na all the best in her new role. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.